When should you recommend a dual fuel system to homeowners? Here are the scenarios where it makes the most sense. In climates with large temperature swings. If the homeowner lives in areas where winter temperatures can dip below freezing, but mild weather is common the rest of the year, a dual fuel system is the perfect solution. Replacing outdated or inefficient systems. If a homeowner has an existing heating system that is old and inefficient, upgrading to a dual fuel system provides better performance, reduced energy costs, and more reliable comfort. High energy bills or environmental concerns. For homeowners looking to reduce their energy consumption or lower their carbon footprint, dual fuel systems offer an environmentally friendly alternative that balances performance and savings. By evaluating these scenarios, you'll be able to identify the right opportunities to introduce dual fuel systems to homeowners. Dual fuel systems are a great way for homeowners to save money. The heat pump operates during moderate temperatures, reducing heating costs, while the furnace takes over during extremely cold periods to ensure the home stays warm when the heat pump can't keep up. Additionally, if a homeowner has a large set point gap to regain, such as after returning from vacation or a long day at work, the furnace will kick on to quickly bring the home back to the desired temperature before switching back to the heat pump to efficiently maintain the set point. The result? Significant savings on energy bills, all while providing maximum comfort and efficiency. When should you advise homeowners to go with a dual fuel system instead of another heating solution? Here are the key factors to consider. Home size and insulation. Larger homes or homes with poor insulation may need more robust heating solutions, and a dual fuel system may be ideal. Energy needs. If a homeowner's energy consumption is high and they want a more efficient way to heat their home, a dual fuel system could be the perfect upgrade. Energy source availability. In areas with limited access to either gas or electricity, a dual fuel system offers flexibility and reliability by combining both sources. By asking the right questions and understanding their needs, you can recommend the most effective system for each homeowner, ensuring their satisfaction and optimizing your service offerings. Interested in offering dual fuel systems to homeowners? Learn more about the installation process, system options, and how to get started at linuxpros.com.